Welcome back, guys, to the second week of trading. Today is a sell. As you can see, I was basically just waiting for the market to give me a fair value gap to trade from. Now basically today's video is all about trusting your setup, not just going into the market and be like, okay, I'm going to take this much amount of pips, I'm going to take this much amount of money. Just trust your setup. Once you get your TP, you're all good to go. Now, seeing from where I sold right below the fair value gap, but mind you, the news was coming out, I think 9:30 US New York time. The news was coming out and I had to place my sell loss just a little bit higher because I knew my fair value gap might get touched completely, which you can see right there, nothing to hide. But anyway, the trade played out. It gave me a bit of a scare. I think the next candlestick that's coming went a bit close to my sell loss. I was ready to close, but then I decided, you know what, I'm gonna trust the setup and go with it. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, let's get back to it. Looking at those wicks that were formed, that just showed me there was momentum in the market to continue pushing downwards. That's why I didn't close when it went back up there. But where the market is right now, that fair value gap that got formed, that is a very important area, because if that thing doesn't break, this market is pushing back to the upside, and yeah, that just means I have to close anyways. But it respected, it actually broke through it. My TP is that green line sitting over there. You can probably see that it's placed at the bottom, but that's a bit too far from me. I closed the trade right there where the market is right now. But yeah, that was a good win. Hopefully we're gonna see how we trade through this week. The only problem is I don't really like trading news, and this week is very full of news, so we'll see. if I see a setup tomorrow, I might just enter, you know. So guys, thanks for watching.